Welcome to another episode of Tread Talk. So I want to say a big thank you to you all for helping us through 2020, and your support has been greatly appreciated. Now, what have we learned out of 2020? These are just some of the learnings that we've come away with. One is you need to be fast, you need to be nimble, you need to be able to react quick. Two is you need the right team to be able to do that. You need a tight-knit team that can pull together and make decisions quickly, make things happen quickly. And number three is you need a robust supply chain. So we have been working on our supply chain even prior to COVID. One of the things that has come even more clear since COVID-19 is that you need a wide supply chain coming from various countries. So what does this mean for you? This means that you can work with us closer, you can give us better forecasts, and we can really integrate with your supply chain. You can expect faster delivery. You can expect more stock on hand to ensure continuity of supply. So while we have some short-term challenges, coming into 2021, we're expecting to see a great increase and a much stronger supply chain. Best practice says it takes 84 days or about 3 months to plan out a good budget. So we encourage you to start thinking about that now. It all starts with strategy, so really start planning out where you want to be at the end of 2021 and beyond. And then you can start the year with a fresh vision, knowing exactly where you want to go, and then you can work out the numbers in time for the new financial year. So while we're talking about the end of the year, we're giving our staff a well-earned break from the 24th of December, we'll be closing at midday, through to the 5th of January. Those days between that time that are not public holidays, we'll have a small skeleton crew on that can look after any urgent queries. So what are you going to do? Well, I hope you get a well-earned rest and recharge your batteries and are ready for 2021, because we're looking forward to it, and we've got some amazing new products and amazing new systems coming out in 2021 that will really help you get ahead and focus more on the selling and manufacturing.